Alright, so I did a little sanding on the Bondo, and what's nice about this product is you can see the low spots and the high spots. So the high spots are what I've sanded, they're the light color part, and these are low parts right here that I have not sanded. And so I've been using 100 grit sandpaper like I have been this whole project, and it's just trying to feather it out. So you can't feel it anymore, papering it into the wood. And if you just feel it, you can feel there's a low part right there. I can feel that really bad. That feels really good up there. That feels good there. There's a ridge right here, but that's all along here. This whole board is different, but in here I need to sand some more, and I'm gonna have to put some more in there, I think, unless this sands down. And you know, like I said earlier, I'm using satin paint, so it's not going to shine a lot, so you may not see any imperfections. I want to get it right, because that's what I do. You see I'm getting down to right down to the level of the wood now. That might not be too bad. That's Bondo. That's how nice Bondo works though. I'm going to prime it, and you are never going to see that this was there.